Hello, Patricia. I wanted to do a quick introduction to the cabinet, show you the drawer dividers, how the door interiors work, and then get it ready to ship as soon as you're comfortable with it and you approve it. I'll get it in the crate and get it shipped. It's a beautiful cabinet. The color is incredible. Everything about it looks really good. There's a couple of things that I wanted to go through. It's the first one where all the locks work with the same key. So with this door, you open by turning the key clockwise, then you can open the door. And you can see the 4 necklace hangers. Every necklace hanger has 10 individual hangers. Same with this side. I'm going to bring the camera over so you can see that. And I want you to be able to see what the door looks like closed. So to lock it, you go counterclockwise, and that does that. I'm going to slide this out of the holder. That's hard to see in this light, but it's beautiful matched panels on the doors. I'm going to move the camera back. I want to go through the drawer dividers. The top 3 drawers all have the same design. It's the small 1.5" by 1.5". Let me just double check to make sure that's in the frame. The next 2 have the 3" by 3". And then the bottom have the 3 compartments. All the others have just the velvet with perimeter trim. A little bit of dust. I'll try and get the dust out of the velvet before I ship. And that's it. Just a quick note. The lock, this part of the lock is called the strike. The strike goes into a piece of metal on the underside of each shelf, and that has to align perfectly, and that's done by the drawer bottom hitting the back of the cabinet. And right now it's 90-degree temperature and I don't know, at least 80% humidity, so things have swollen a little bit, but the drawer bottom has expanded. So you have to kind of find that notch in the steel plate with the strike by wiggling the drawer front forward or back. This time of year with this humidity, you have to kind of push in a little bit, but then as we get into the winter, you may have to pull it forward a little bit for all that to align. Except for that, I'm real happy with it. I think it looks great. I have, in addition to everything else, this is the back. This goes on the wall and gets anchored to the studs in the wall. Then there's picture frame wire that goes between this piece of hardware and a matching piece of hardware in the back of the cabinet. Thank you again, and I look forward to getting this shipped.